Welcome to my review of ManyChat, an innovative chatbot platform designed to help businesses automate customer communication and enhance their sales process. ManyChat offers a range of features that allow you to connect with customers in a personalized way, from automated messages to advanced marketing workflows. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, ManyChat promises to make your customer interactions more efficient and effective. I'll be diving deep into its functionality, pricing, and overall user experience. ManyChat can be used to automate customer support, drive sales through personalized messaging, and even collect leads through its powerful integrations with platforms like Facebook Messenger and SMS. It's built with businesses in mind, aiming to reduce response times and streamline communication. However, not everything is perfect with ManyChat. While the platform offers great potential, the user interface can feel overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to automation tools. Setting up flows and integrations might require a learning curve, and it can be difficult to navigate all the features without prior experience. ManyChat also has a free plan with limited features, but to unlock its full potential, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. This can be a turnoff for some businesses, especially those just starting out. Despite these challenges, ManyChat's benefits far outweigh the drawbacks if you're looking to improve communication and drive sales through automation. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The platform's automation capabilities allow you to respond to customers 24/7 without being tied to your inbox, and its deep integrations with marketing platforms can really take your business to the next level. Another notable feature of ManyChat is its ability to send personalized, targeted messages based on customer behavior, improving engagement and conversion rates. The analytics provided by ManyChat also help you track your performance and refine your strategies. In conclusion, ManyChat is a solid choice for businesses that want to automate their customer communication and enhance sales with a chatbot. Despite a few hurdles with its interface and a need for a paid plan to access premium features, ManyChat remains one of the top solutions in the market. If you're serious about taking your business to the next level, this chatbot can help you save time and improve customer engagement. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to explore more about the features and resources ManyChat offers. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews like this.